are going to Kuranda on Skyrail.
Hello everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's travel with D and Night. Join us on a thrilling journey through the lush rainforest as we take a ride on the iconic Kuranda Skyrail. Kuranda village is one of the most famous tourist attractions in Cairns, where you can do many activities. Catching the Skyrail or the Scenic train is the most popular ways to get there. We came to Smithfield to catch the Skyrail, which is located about 15-minute drive away from Cairns city. Uber or Didi is the most convenient way to get there and cost us only about $25. But if you have a car, there are plenty of parking spaces. If you are traveling on a weekday, public transport is also an option to get to Smithfield terminal. There will be 2 stops at Red Peak and Barron Falls before we get to Kuranda. You can choose to get down and explore the area. We will bring you more information as we get there. Now we are approaching Red Peak. It took us about 20 minutes on Skyrail to get here. Today's weather is not the best to explore outdoors, but it's good to explore a rainforest in rain, and it will be a lot of fun. Also, you can borrow an umbrella from here. Here you can take a complimentary ranger-guided boardwalk tour. You can learn a lot talking to those rangers. This is where you meet your guide for the tour. If you have time, you can learn a lot about rainforest from this knowledge hub. There is a heap of information displayed about the history and the formation of rainforest. Not only that, you can read about animals, birds and flowers of the rainforest. Okay, let's get moving. Here we are off to the next stop. It will be about 15 minutes on Skyrail to our next stop, which is Barron Falls. Barron River. Look, over there, you can see the Barron Falls as well. Now we are at our second stop. Let's walk to get a closer look at this gigantic and fascinating waterfall. Barron Falls is a steep, tiered cascade waterfall on the Barron River. This is located where the river descends from the Atherton tablelands to Cairns coastal plain. Before heading to Kuranda, let's have a quick look at the Rainforest Interpretation Center as well. Here you can find a lot to save in your knowledge bank. Let's get going to the final destination. Let's catch the Skyrail again to resume the journey to Kuranda.
Kuranda?
Yes.
Kuranda, yeah.
Thank you.
It's 10 minutes to Kuranda. When you arrive, we take your photo.
Wonderful,
Yeah.
thank
If the
you.
rain comes in, just push this one on.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Keep your eyes down. You can see the Kuranda Scenic train line below in any minute. Here we are approaching the destination for today. They take a photo of you when you approach there and available for you to purchase if you are interested. Hello.
We ask that you have your QR code ready for scanning.
There are plenty to explore in Kuranda. Not only the historic Kuranda village and markets, there are plenty of tourist attractions and activities such as indigenous Australian cultural tours, butterfly garden and birds world. There will be a series of videos of what we did in Kuranda. Please stay tuned with us for more interesting content. Originally, we planned to get the Scenic train for our return journey. But unfortunately, the train was cancelled due to adverse weather conditions. But we didn't forget to go to this little beautiful train station to have a look. I'm pretty sure this is in the list of most photographed train stations in the world. Due to the train cancellation, we are taking the Skyrail for our return journey as well. So let's head that way. Now we are approaching to the end of our fun-filled day. Hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified when a new video is released. Also, please like, comment and share with your friends. Bye for now. See you again in another video.